A complete guide to using live transcription on your iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Generate live transcriptions on iPhone and iPad. Launch the Notes app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap the pen icon at the top right corner to create a new note, or tap on an existing note to open it. Tap the paperclip icon in the toolbar. Choose the Record Audio option. Tap the red circular button to start recording. Speak directly into your device or record external audio like a meeting or lecture. Tap the red pause button with 2 vertical lines to pause. Resume recording by tapping the red resume button. When you're done, tap Done. After a few seconds, a transcription preview will appear. Select it. To manage your transcription, tap the 3 dots icon to share the audio file, save it to iCloud, or delete it if no longer needed. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. Generate live transcriptions on Mac. Launch the Notes app. Click the pen icon to create a new note or choose an existing one. In the toolbar, click the Record Audio button. Then, you'll see the red circular button. Click it to begin recording the audio. Tap the red pause button if you need to pause the recording. When you're done, click Done to save your recording and return to your note. Wait for a few seconds, and the transcription for the recorded audio will appear in your note. To keep your Mac clutter and virus-free, download the Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer from malicious software infections and advertising-supported software. The disk cleaner will scan Mac for application cache, logs, browser data, and other useless files that can be safely removed to regain valuable disk space. It will also show you how much space what files take up in storage. With Combo Cleaner you can look through all big files with ease and delete the ones you don't need. You can also scan for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. With Privacy Scanner, eliminate data stored when browsing the internet, including cookies, history, cache, and other files that can reveal your private information. The Uninstaller feature allows you to find hidden components of applications and uninstall them from your Mac completely with just a couple of clicks. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.